Ever wondered if that Paysafecard you snagged on vacation can actually work back home? Let's crack the code on international Paysafecard use. First, the hard truth: Paysafacards are generally designed for use within the country where they were purchased. This is mainly due to currency and regional restrictions. Currency conversion is a big hurdle. Paysafecard may charge hefty fees to convert currencies if they allow cross-border usage, gobbling up your balance. Some websites may outright block Paysafacards from different countries to prevent fraud or comply with local regulations, so your card might get rejected. Before you get too bummed, check Paysafecard's official website for their specific terms and conditions regarding international use. It might save you some grief. Explore alternatives like international credit cards, PayPal, or other wallets that are designed for seamless global transactions. They often offer better rates and wider acceptance. Even with limitations, using a Paysafecard internationally is possible in some specific cases. But understanding the restrictions and fees is key to avoiding disappointment. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more money tips, and tell us in the comments which payment method you prefer for international shopping.